Alright, 2 years ago, I posted a video about the weird noise coming from this section of the motorbike Tenere 700, and I was told the Yamaha that's alright, that's a normal noise. And after almost 35,000 kilometers, I changed my chain kit. So brand new chain, sprockets, the back one, front one is brand new, and the noise is still remaining. So the only thing is what may cause the noise is those rollers, like two pieces, one on the bottom and one on the top, and I'm going to change especially this one, and I'm curious if the noise will remain after I change that, but I'm skeptical because it's a whole new stuff and the noise is crazy. It definitely comes from this section, from the front. Let's see.